Doolan, the long-time neutrality activist and human rights campaigner. She's outside the gates of Leinster House right now, having completed a mammoth 220-kilometre walk from Shannon Airport. Lelia is 91 years of age and has been walking in a gentle, peaceful protest for a fortnight. She is protesting at the use of Shannon Airport by US military. She has asked for a meeting with you and with government TDs. And I think she's right, Taoiseach. I just want to express our support in the Labour Party for her. Because, as we all know, and as we've seen in recent weeks, Trump and Netanyahu together have unleashed a reign of death and destruction across the Middle East. They've launched an illegal war. Your government has so far failed to condemn that war. And the commander-in-chief of the very military forces that transit through Shannon Airport threatened just last week to wipe out an entire civilization in Iran. Genocidal rhetoric, Taoiseach. So I'm asking you, will you meet with Lelia Doolan today as she comes to Leinster House? And will you stop allowing US military use of Shannon Airport in the face of the warmongering that we've seen? Can you guarantee that the US military and indeed Israeli forces are not benefiting from the use of Shannon Airport?
First of all, I wasn't aware that Lelia Doolan was seeking a meeting, so I wasn't aware of that, but I'll see what I can do. I've greatest of respect, given her views and her commitment and her perseverance, and it's an extraordinary journey to take in terms of her views of Shannon Airport. However, I think we need to be clear as well. Shannon Airport is not a US military base. Spain has US military bases. Italy has, and so on. But Ireland doesn't. We need to be very careful that we don't mischaracterise Shannon Airport. I think that will damage Shannon Airport. And I have concerns about that. And right throughout the war in Gaza, there's been attempts to mischaracterise Shannon Airport as some sort of military base. It had no role, good, bad or indifferent, in respect of Gaza, nor does it have in respect of the war between the US, Israel and Iran.